Hello, welcome to the Rise Game. My name is Deepak. Today I am bringing a new topic on an advanced Excel which is recently asked in an interview. The question is that we have given a two table. One is the employee name, and inside this table we have given a employee ID. So in the second table we have given a one column which is containing the ID of the employee ID, and against of each employee ID there is a department name. So our task is that we need to extract the department name against the employee name. If you are looking the table, that the one of the table is containing the employee name, and the second table the department is containing into the second table. So in both this table we have the common column is the ID. So how can we extract these values of the department against of the each employee name? Let's look at the table. So for doing this problem, for solving this problem, first of all we need to create the lookup value. Means that each of the employee name having a unique ID that is containing the employee ID. So how we can create a unique ID? First, our task is that we need to extract the employee ID against of each employee. So our first approach is to solve this problem is using the index method. So first of all we will write the index function. The index first argument is array. So we will select the array of the ID from the table 1, and we need to freeze that one because we need to drag this formula for the below rows. So as we drag this formula from the below rows, the remaining the remaining ID, the cell, all the formulas, the cell, the range of the array is also shift towards the down. So we need to freeze that one. Now we need to fetch the employee name. So we will use the match for that, and the match is the first argument is lookup value. So our lookup value is the employee name, and the lookup array in the first table which is present the employee name. So we need to freeze this one also, comma. Now what kind of the match type we want? So less than or greater than we don't want, we just want the exact match. Now close the bracket for the match function and close the bracket for the index. As we press the enter, the lookup value has been created. For the lookup value for the entry, we can look in our table 1, that is our CP002, and the CP002 has been fetched. So we need to drag this formula for the below records also. So we can see that dollar is containing the employee, dollar is having the employee ID CP006, which is correctly mapped. But our task is not that. We need to extract the department name, not the employee ID. So how can we fetch the department? So we will use for that. If you look that if I am using the simple VLOOKUP outside of this table, the lookup value is our department. Now comma table array is which is second table. So we need to select the table first, and we need to extract the department to second, which is comes on the second column. The position of this column is second, column index number, comma what kind of the lookup, range of lookup, it's exact match. So press 0 and bracket close, hit enter. You will fetch the department, but you are fetching the department through the employee ID. So we need to compile this formula of this which we have created outside this table. We need to merge this formula inside this formula which we have already used the index. So with the help of the index match, we have successfully created the employee ID. Now we need to fetch the department. So how we can fetch this department? Just write the v lookup, and the lookup value is completely of this index match function. It has been already fetched. Now comma, it is asking the table array. The table array is which is in our second table, and we need to select the first column, then drag this to the second column because department is containing on the second position. So we need to freeze that one also, and comma, and the range lookup, sorry, column index number. So column index number is on the second position, comma. Now what kind of the range lookup? It is exact match or the approximate. There is no requirement for the approximate match. We need the exact match. So just press the 0, or either you can write the false also. Bracket close for the lookup and hit enter. You will successfully fetch the manager name and drag this formula to for the rest record, and you have successfully fetched the department name through their employee name. So that's it from my side. Thank you.